Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: digestion. You know that gut feeling, and I mean that literally, when something's off? We're tackling that head-on with 7 simple steps you can take to improve your digestion in just 1 week. Get ready to feel lighter, brighter, and way more comfortable with these easy-to-follow tips. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of good health, and that's hydration. Water is often overlooked, but it's absolutely essential for our bodies to function properly. Think of it as the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. Without it, everything starts to grind to a halt. When we talk about digestion, we're essentially talking about a complex system of breaking down food. This process starts the moment you take a bite. Your saliva, which is mostly water, begins to break down the food right in your mouth. Chewing thoroughly is the first step in aiding your digestive system. And guess what plays a key role in that breakdown process? You got it, water. Water is involved in every step of digestion. It helps to dissolve nutrients and minerals, making them more accessible to your body. Imagine trying to wash dishes without water. It would be nearly impossible. Similarly, your body needs water to wash down the nutrients and make them usable. Water helps soften food, making it easier for your body to process. When food is softened, it moves more easily through your digestive tract. This is crucial for nutrient absorption. The softer the food, the easier it is for your intestines to extract the good stuff. It also helps move waste through your intestines, preventing that dreaded constipation. Constipation can be incredibly uncomfortable and even painful. By keeping yourself well hydrated, you ensure that waste moves smoothly through your system. This not only makes you feel better, but also helps to keep your digestive system healthy and efficient. Aim for 8 glasses a day, and trust me, your gut will thank you. 8 glasses might seem like a lot, but it's a small price to pay for a well-functioning digestive system. You can spread it out throughout the day. Start with a glass in the morning, 1 with each meal, and a few in between. Your body will get used to it, and soon you'll find yourself reaching for water without even thinking about it. So, keep that water bottle handy and make hydration a priority. Your digestive system and your overall health will be all the better for it. Now let's talk about fiber. Think of fiber as the cleaning crew for your intestines. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. This is crucial for preventing constipation and keeping things moving along smoothly. Plus, fiber is a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. We're talking fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Load up on these for a happy and healthy digestive system. Let's talk about the superheroes of the digestive system, probiotics. These tiny but mighty organisms play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. They are often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because of the numerous benefits they offer to our digestive system and beyond. These are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your gut health. Unlike harmful bacteria that can cause infections and diseases, probiotics work to keep your gut environment balanced and healthy. They are naturally found in your body, but you can also get them from certain foods and supplements. They help maintain a healthy balance of good and bad bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion. When the balance is disrupted, it can lead to digestive issues, infections, and other health problems. Probiotics help to restore this balance, ensuring that your digestive system functions smoothly. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods undergo a fermentation process that encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Including these in your diet can be a delicious way to boost your probiotic intake. Adding these to your diet can significantly improve your digestion and boost your overall gut health. Not only do they aid in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, but they also help in preventing digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome and diarrhea. Moreover, a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system, better mood, and even improved skin health. So by incorporating probiotics into your daily routine, you're not just taking care of your gut, but your overall well-being. We all know exercise is good for our heart, lungs, and muscles, but did you know it's also fantastic for your digestion? Physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, keeping things moving along. Even a light walk after a meal can make a big difference in preventing bloating and discomfort. So get up, get moving, and let your body do its thing. Here's the thing about stress. It affects your entire body, including your digestion. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, diverting blood flow away from your digestive system. This can lead to indigestion, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. But why does this happen? Well, when your body perceives a threat, it prioritizes essential functions for survival, like your heart and muscles, over non-essential functions like digestion. This response is great if you're running from a predator, but not so much for modern-day stressors like work deadlines or financial worries. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, diverting blood flow away from your digestive system. This redirection of blood flow means that your digestive organs receive less oxygen and nutrients, which can slow down the digestive process. Over time, chronic stress can lead to more serious digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or even ulcers. It's a vicious cycle. Stress affects digestion, and poor digestion can lead to more stress. This can lead to indigestion, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. Symptoms like heartburn, constipation, and diarrhea can become more frequent and severe. You might also experience a loss of appetite or conversely, an increase in cravings for unhealthy foods. These symptoms are your body's way of signaling that something is off balance. Ignoring these signs can lead to long-term health issues, so it's crucial to address stress and its impact on your digestive health. That's why managing stress is so important for good digestion. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help activate your body's relaxation response, counteracting the effects of stress. These practices not only calm your mind but also promote better blood flow to your digestive organs, improving overall digestion. Incorporating these stress-reducing activities into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel. Find what works for you, whether it's yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Everyone's stress relief methods are different, so it's important to experiment and discover what helps you relax the most. Some people find solace in physical activities like running or swimming, while others prefer more tranquil activities like reading or gardening. The key is to make stress management a priority in your life, or spending time in nature. Nature has a unique way of calming our minds and bodies. The sights, sounds, and smells of the natural world can help reduce stress hormones and promote a sense of well-being. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a lake, spending time outdoors can be incredibly therapeutic. Make it a habit to connect with nature regularly, and you'll likely notice improvements in both your mental and digestive health. Your gut will thank you. By taking steps to manage stress, you're not only improving your mental health, but also supporting your digestive system. A healthy gut contributes to overall well-being, affecting everything from your immune system to your mood. So take a deep breath, find your stress relief method, and give your gut the care it deserves. Your body will thank you for it. In our fast-paced world, we often rush through meals without even thinking about it. But mindful eating can make a world of difference in your digestion. Chewing your food thoroughly is crucial because it breaks down food into smaller particles, making it easier for your body to digest. Eating slowly and paying attention to your food also allows your body to register fullness, preventing overeating and discomfort. We've all heard about the importance of a good night's sleep, but did you know it directly impacts your gut health? When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can disrupt your gut bacteria balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and promote a healthy digestive system. So there you have it, 7 powerful steps to transform your digestion in just 1 week. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine and experience the incredible benefits of a healthy and happy gut. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.